Hello viewers, hope you everybody are well. I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I bring a new video to all of you viewers. Uh, Before starting the video, I want to tell you those who are watching my video to subscribe my channel and like it, do a positive comment, share it with your friends and relatives, and press the bell button on the right side of the subscribe option on YouTube. Let's go to the video. Today in this video I will tell you about how to keep your laptop or desktop virus free, fast and quickest browsing experience. I want to tell you about 10 steps. If you follow these 10 steps, then you can be sure that your PC will be virus free, fast and quickest net browsing, fast in copying files, fast in graphics, animation, video editing, or other works you do on your PC. Number one is what you have to do is you have to keep a good antivirus installed on your PC. I suggest you to keep Avast antivirus 2020 edition. You can download it from searching Google, and then you can try Kaspersky and Avira, AVG, Panda antivirus. These are also good, but you have to use the full version, not the copy version, because it will not detect properly and cannot remove all the Trojan horse, spyware, or this kind of virus from your PC or laptop. You can buy it from different website online by your credit or debit card, or you can buy it from any of your nearest store or computer shop. The second one is you have to clean those garbage files from your PC. You can go to Windows, click on Run, and write percentage temp tmp and percentage again on the run program, then press enter. Then you will see some files which you have to select and remove all of them. Number 3, you have to go to run on the after clicking the Windows file, then write on prefetch on the run program, prefetch, then press enter, and then you have to remove all the files which you see. The number four is you have to keep advanced system care software installed on your PC or laptop because it has faster RAM cleaning and garbage or spam files cleaning options which you can use, and your PC will boost 100% and you will get a good experience, first experience using your PC. The number four is you have to keep you can download, you must not download those files which is related to porn or the malicious gaming file or games. You cannot download those. It will make your PC slow and sometimes hanging for a few minutes. And this is the number six. The number seven is you have to keep like not more than 2 or 3 games on your PC according to your RAM. If you keep more games, then your PC will get more slower and hanging most often. So if you have 1 or 2 GB RAM, then you have to keep low games on your PC installed. And if you have like 5 or 6 GB or more than that RAM, then you can keep like bigger games installed on your PC. The number 8 is your browser. You have to go and clean those story files, cookies and passwords, all data you have to remove. Then you will get a fastest browser wherever you use Mozilla Firefox or Chrome or UC browser or whatever. The number 10, you have to keep as less softwares on your desktop. You can put it inside. Don't keep a lot of shortcut files on your desktop. Then it will hamper working properly and you will get a slow PC. These are the 10 options which you must have to follow if you want to get a virus-free, faster PC or laptop wherever you are working, in house or in shop or in office, etc. That's it for today. In the next video I will show you, or I will bring you more necessary tips and tricks about PC. For today, goodbye. Allah Hafiz.